53-foot trailer wrap. What can go wrong? What's up, everybody? Welcome to another day, another wrap. We don't just wrap exotic and sick-ass vehicles, we also do commercial graphics in big 53-foot trailers. So right now, we're currently prepping the sides for removing the rivet sections, and then we're gonna start laying out the panels. Now, this is a huge project because we're not just wrapping the sides, front and back, we also doing the roof. So stick around with us. So a few things, guys. This is a what we call a player shot. Why? Because it's one single shot for the entire roof. Few things. So we run into an issue. We're actually short on the print. This is due to the file that we received. It was actually shorter. We didn't know the dimensions of the vehicle, so we just print what we received. Not a big deal because it's just solid colors. The only thing that we're gonna have to do is print additional color for the remaining section. But yeah, this is how we're gonna do the roof. Wishes, good luck. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're back in the trailer. Right now we're working on one of the sides. We're almost halfway through. We're gonna put the other one up next. We have all this pre-panel, so we pre-put it together, about 6 pieces. So the entire side has 1252 panels. So it's a big sheet that we're gonna put all in one shot. So stick around for that. So guys, this is it for this one. We call it a wrap on the 53-foot trailer, both sides, decals, logos on top of it, including the roof.